Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you the details of the new MG ZS. As you can see, here is the key, and in front of us we have a very nice spec. Now you may remember that recently I also tested the electric version, which is the MG ZS EV. This one here has the 1-liter turbocharged petrol engine. More details about the engine a bit later on. So now let's focus on the design. Now on this version, you will see a different grille compared to the electric one. Of course, more standard grille, massive MG badge. I quite like this pattern on the grille. And the lights, of course, the LEDs. And when you unlock the car, so just 1 second, there we go. These are the indicators and daytime running LEDs, and the main unit is here. And yeah, well, this is the luxury trim, so the top of the line model. And you see, if we take a look at the side profile, 4 meters 32 is the length. This one has the 17-inch wheels. Let me show you the dimension: 215, 55 R17. Dual tone with the gloss black and silver elements, and also the robust wheel arches with this section here, like the aluminum part, looking very nice and very robust indeed. So once again, the side profile, and now we move to the rear of the car. So let's unlock it. You will see the nice signature of those LEDs. I really love this detail. Look at this MG logo in the middle. Now the ZS lettering, of course, for the model, and the electric version, of course, had the EV lettering as well. The rear bumper is a very dynamic one. Here is where you can see the sensors, and also the rear view camera is located here. Now, in order to open the tailgate, what you need to do is you just press the badge. There we go. Look at this, 448 liters of storage room. Nice square shape, net on both sides, and overall really nice amount of room. 1166 liters when you fold the seats. And I can also show you here, you do have the some tools, of course, tire repair kit, and some additional room as well. You can also move this, I believe, to upper section. So yeah, really nice. And this is how you close it. Let me show you the car from this angle. There we go. So I want to hear your thoughts on the exterior design. And here you will also notice the cameras. So this car has the 360 view from inside, which I'll show you in a moment. So now, without further ado, let's see the interior. It is now time to explore the interior. And here is where you notice a very nice interior with this 3-spoke steering wheel, very sporty one, nice air vents, and also look at the seats with this red stitching and MG logo. Let's see it from driver's perspective. Alright, so let's check out the view from wider angle. Steering wheel with the flat bottom, red stitching, some physical buttons, and in the middle we have the nice animation on the screen. In the middle, 10.1-inch screen, the main touch screen, and I really love this. Looks like the carbon, it's very nice, and it's soft on touch. I quite like also the red stitching to go with the stitching throughout the whole car. And now with the different view, I will go through the infotainment system in a moment. The air vents are here, and the hazard lights, of course, in the middle. Physical buttons are here, so there are a few physical buttons. With the home button, you go back to this main screen, and with this one you can change the volume. There's also the option to mute the music here. By pressing this, you go into the AC menu, which is here. You can adjust the air blower and also the temperature, but good news is that you can also do it by pressing this. So you see wind level, and then here the temperature level can be adjusted. In here, 2 USB ports and also the 12-volt power supply. Additional buttons, this is actually to turn off the start-stop system. Gear selector for the automatic transmission, MG logo in here, electronic parking brake and the auto hold, the cup holders, some additional room in here. Speaking about room, the glove box, decent amount of room. Let us now cover the infotainment system. So this is like the main home screen, and if you press, for example, the car icon, you can adjust the driver assist systems: rear driving assist, blind spot detection, lane change assist, and rear cross traffic alert. Comfort and convenience. Here's where you can adjust the follow me home or find my car settings. Other settings are here. So steering wheel button, you can adjust what you want this button to be used for. There are a few options. Driving and maintenance. This is to adjust the steering, so you can adjust urban, normal, or dynamic settings. Of course, if you go on a country road, the dynamic one would be the best one. It's a stiffer one. And then for the urban environment, obviously, urban adjustments are the best ones. Factory settings, you can do the factory reset in here. So those were the driver and car settings. Actually, setup. Here's where you can adjust the audio settings and then change various things here. And you will adjust the time, Bluetooth connection, and this car also has the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Display settings, so backlight mode, night, day, or automatic one. You can change the units here, and the system settings are here. So press the home menu, 360 view. So let's see this car has the cool 360 view, 3D view here. Let me turn on the indicator and show you this. So you see, this can be useful, and also you can change the view, look, the whole layout here of the car, so from all angles. So that's very cool, and once again useful. So here is where you have the AC controls. Once again, this can be adjusted also with the physical buttons. So thumb up for that. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, you can turn off the display. And now let's check out the navigation. Look at the nice 3D shape of the buildings. That's really cool. And we can also check out the details here. Look at this, very nice. And let's go also to the downtown of Zagreb, and look at this, very, very nice details. That's really cool. You can also change the view here, but I prefer this kind of view. The settings of the navigation can be adjusted. In here you can also change the navigation view, map appearance, so you can have the day or night, but each of those can be configured as well. So for example, day map colors can be adjusted here. How cool is that? So yeah, those are the settings for the map appearance. You can of course turn on the 3D terrain, buildings and stuff like that. And you can also change some additional details here. And route preferences can be adjusted in here, and the sound as well. So I think that covers pretty much it when we talk about the infotainment system. And now this section here can have the brightness, speed warning, and next service information. Warnings are here, and then here you have a bunch of things about your car. So that's really cool, and a lot of details here. Also, I really love the rev counter on this car. Look at this, and the speedometer works the same way. So that's really cool. I'll show you also the lights here and the sun visor. There we go. Hello. And this one, of course, for the passenger. Now it's time to check out the rear bench. And this is it, just about right for my knees. There's also the storage room, 2 USB ports, and like the storage area in here. Let me show you how it looks for my head. All right, and this is the situation. So look at this, still huge amount of room left. I'm 1.87 m, and this is a big thumb up from me. Let's also mention the powertrains, of course. So the model in our video has got the 1 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine producing 111 horsepower and 160 newton meters of torque. Other option when we talk about the petrol models is the 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. That one has 106 horsepower. Now there's also the electric version. As I already told you, I recently tested that one, so you can watch the videos of the electric version as well on my channel. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice of a powertrain for this car. Alright guys, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe as we are now going on a point of view drive. Stay tuned for that and see you on the next one. Bye bye.